RNR Environmental. Just want to show you how our absorbent stacks up with a top contender. As a matter of fact, this oil absorbent that I'm comparing our RNR ZORBZOIL to is what I would consider to be the best oil absorbent on the market other than ours. With that in mind, you're going to see a difference here, and most other absorbents are massively less efficient than this one. For example, your typical clay-based oil absorbent that you find in auto supply stores typically may take 100%, sometimes even 200% added bulk to absorb the oil. All right, here we are dialing in the approximate amount it takes to absorb this 100 grams of oil. I've done this before, so I'm familiar with what it takes. And as you can see, this is a good product. It absorbs the oil rather quickly, but it did require 60% added bulk. I put 60 grams to the 100 grams of oil, which does create consequences logistically and economically. Now the RNR ZORBZOIL. I'm only going to add approximately 15%. That would be 15 grams to the 100 grams of oil. This product reacts very quickly. It takes quite a bit less. It's also an extremely non-reactive product. Therefore, it is very universal compared to other oil absorbents. This product will work on multiple oils in a very similar ratio for all of them. And I will be the first one to admit that not every oil absorbent works for every scenario. However, this product works for more oils more often at a lower ratio of added bulk than any I have ever come across. Of course, there are supposed universal oil absorbents out there, but as you can see from the Oil Dry website, their 40-pound bag may absorb 40 pounds. And here we are at our 15% added bulk. Now, of course, you can look at the two samples side by side and see that one is more voluminous than the other, and that has ramifications. Adding 60% as opposed to 15% adds a whole variety of logistical issues. The lower the percentage of added bulk, the easier to manage, the lower the transport costs, the lower the disposal costs. Keep in mind, you're paying for each additional drum, which is now approximately $120 just for the drum itself, not to mention about $220 for each full drum sent to a certified landfill. So if you are adding bulk that you don't need to be adding, it's going to be costing you a lot more money in the end. So please contact us to find out more information about ZORBZOIL.